First of all, we'll discuss a number, how it can be divisible by 2. So, we can write last digit of the number should be even, or it should be 0. So, it will be divisible by 2. For 3, we have to write sum of the digits, sum of the digits. If I take the sum of the digits given for a number, and it should be the multiple of 3. For example, if I'm writing a number that is 621, I have to check is this the divisible by 3 or not. So what I'll do, I'll take 6 plus 2 plus 1. Sum is 9. 9 is the multiple of 3, so I can say this number is divisible by 3. Let us discuss the divisibility rule of 4. We will check the last two digits should be divisible by 4. For example, if I say we have 124, 124, we will check the last two digits only, that these are divisible by 4 or not. So 24 is the multiple of 4. Yeah, so this number is divisible by 4. Now it can be the case that this is not a 3-digit number. It can be a 5 or 6 or 7-digit number. So I can add any number further. Whatever will be the numbers before 24, it will be divisible by 4. Now let us discuss 5. For 5, the condition is last digit should be 0 or 5. Very simple. I don't think so. Here we have to take example. So for 6, we will take a number will be divisible by 6 if it is divisible by 2 and 3 both. Okay, we'll understand this with one example here. Let's take another example. If I say I have to check a number 124, is this the multiple of 6 or not? So what I'll do, I'll take the co-primes of 6. So I can write co-prime factors of 6 are 2 and 3. So this number should be divisible by 2 and this number should be divisible by 3. So let us check. Last digit of the number is 4. It is divisible by 2. 124, what is the sum? 1 plus 2 plus 4, this is 7, which is not the multiple of 3. So I can say 124 is not the multiple of 6. Let us take another example. I'm writing here 108. Is this the multiple of 6 or not? So what we will do, we'll check. The last digit of the number is what? This is 8, divisible by 2. If I take the sum 1 plus 0 plus 8, that is 9. So I can say this number is divisible by 3. So this number is divisible by 2 and 3. So this number will be divisible by 6. Now further we will discuss the divisibility rule of 7. For 7, we have to take an example to understand this. Let us write a number 49. As we know, 49 is the 7th square. So how to solve the 7th divisibility rule first? Just take the last digit, that is 9, multiply it by 5, that becomes 45, and this digit should be added here. So again it becomes 49, multiple of 7. Another example, 105. Second example I'm taking here. So what we will do, take the last digit, multiply it by 5, it becomes 25, and this 10 should be added here. So it is the become 35, that is the multiple of 7. So this number is multiple of 7. Another simplest example I can take here is 21. So rule is same. What we will do? We'll take the last date, multiply it by 5. It becomes 5. This 2 plus 2 here 7. Multiple of 7. So this is the divisibility rule of 7. Now let us discuss the divisibility rule for 8. So for 8, we'll check the last 3 digits should be divisible by 8 or multiple of 8. For example, if I am writing a number here that is 1888, so it is very easy. We can easily say that last 3 digits are multiple of 8, so this number is divisible by 8. Another example we can take that is 1024. Is this number is the multiple of 8 or not, or divisible by 8 or not? Just check the last 3 digits. We can say last 3 digits are 0 to 4. So 0 to 4 is the multiple of 8. Yes, so 1024 is the multiple of 8. Now let us discuss further the divisibility rule for 9. So for 9, this is same as 3. We will write sum of the digits should be divisible by 9, or multiple of 9 should be there. Let us take an example here. I'm writing 1729. We will check is this number is the multiple of 9 or not. So if I add all the numbers, what will be the sum? 1 plus 7 plus 2 plus 9. It becomes 10 plus 9, 19. That is not the multiple of 9. What if I'm writing the same number 1719? Is this the multiple of 9? Yes. 1 plus 7 plus 9, it becoming 8, 18. So this is the multiple of 9. 1719 is the multiple of 9. Why? Because if we adding all the digits, we are getting the sum equal to 18. So with this till 9, we can solve the divisibility, or these are the divisibility rules till 9. Let us discuss further divisibility rule of 11. Now we will solve divisibility rule of 11. For 11, what is the divisibility rule? We have to understand that sum of the digits at odd places. I'm not saying that these are the odd numbers. I'm saying sum of the digits at odd places subtracted by, we can say, sum of the digits at even places. Let us understand this by one example. I'm writing 11 square, that is 121. So we can say this is the multiple of 11 for sure. But with example, we'll understand that what we are writing here, sum of the digits at odd places. So we can say this is the odd place, this is the odd place, this is the even place, not the digit. So sum of odd places is 1 plus 1 minus 2 equal to 0. So if this is equal to 0 or 11 or multiple of 11, then the number is multiple of 11. Let us take another example, 1331. We know this is the cube of 11. So what are the odd digits here? Odd places. Odd place and odd place. This is the even place, even place. So what will be sum of odd places? 1 plus 3 minus what will be sum of even places? 1 plus 3. So that is equal to 0. So this is the number that is the multiple of 11, right? I'll add another example here to make you understand better. Let us say we will take the example of 165. So this is the three-digit number, and we know this is the odd position, even position. Sum of odd is 6, sum of even is 6, so it is equal to 0. That is how this number is the multiple of 11.